I wanted to make this video to explain how I deal with the instance where you might have some difficulty um, getting an assignment due get in on time, or something else that's due in on time. So I realize things happen, and I'm not callous to that. But having said that, I think we need to put some parameters around how we go about taking care of those situations. So I have something I call the OOPS token. So an OOPS token is basically a way for you to get a 3-day grace period on any particular assignment that you know beforehand. That's the important part. That you know beforehand that you're not going to be able to get done. So what I want you to do is, if you know that you're going to be late on an assignment, you need extra time to get it done, um, fill this form out. I need to get it literally an hour before the assignment's due, within an hour before, at least an hour before that assignment's due, and let me know that you say, I don't think this is going to happen. I need to do this for whatever reason. Um, and Go ahead and fill this thing out just briefly. Just say what the assignment is, what the original due date was, and then just, when I say sign it, just put your initials there. That's fine. And send it to me in a D2L email. You get 2 of these for this class. It's only 8 weeks long, so hopefully you wouldn't need to use it more than twice. But we're going to get 2 of these for this particular class. So go ahead and fill those out and send them to me in a D2L email. But before, that's the important part, not after, before, okay? If there's any questions about how to use these, this is how um, uh, is the most equitable way I can think of to take care of this type of a situation. Okay, so that's what the OOPS token is. By the way, you find it, this framework here for it, under Start Here for the beginning of class, under the table of contents, about halfway down the list. Okay, and they're right there. Fill it out and get it to me uh, in a D2L email, and we'll take care of it from there. Okay. If you have any questions about it, certainly let me know.